Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Mr. Twister WX and you are currently looking at the Storm Prediction Center homepage where we have a marginal risk of severe weather. Alright, so editing Mr. Twister here. Just wanted to let you all know this marginal risk has been upgraded to a slight risk, where they upgraded the tornado risk to 5%. Something must have changed to make them think that the wind and hail are still 5% risks, but going to keep an eye on this tornado risk. So this has been upgraded to a level 2 out of 5, so you need to be a bit more aware of this threat. The same areas are included in the 2%, but in our 5% we have Bowling Green, Kentucky, Richmond, Kentucky, Hopkinsville, Kentucky, Springfield, Tennessee, and Danville, Kentucky, and those surrounding areas. So please be aware of this threat, and I'm going to get back to the rest of the video. In effect, today and tonight, Wednesday, February 5th, 2025, currently have a 2% very broad tornado risk for Nashville, Tennessee, Clarksville, Tennessee, Murfreesboro, Jackson, and Bowling Green, Kentucky. So we also have a 5% damaging wind risk and a 5% damaging hail risk. So far this event has turned out to, well, that's a weird screen glitch. So far this event has not produced much. There have been a couple special weather statements in this region for, I believe it was penny-sized hail. So nothing much at the moment, just a lot of rain showers with very little lightning activity. It is only 6:28 p.m. Central Standard Time, so we will see what this threat does as we progress into the evening, but Cape values in the area are pretty low, so things like tornado threat would be pretty low. Nothing above the 300 range right now, so not the most worrisome threat. In fact, wouldn't be surprised if they drop that at the next Storm Prediction Center update. But if we go to tomorrow, Thursday the 6th, just recently issued, there is a marginal risk for Nashville, Tennessee once again, Clarksville, Tennessee, Bowling Green, Kentucky, Hendersonville, Tennessee, and Smyrna, Tennessee, if we're saying that right. But less than 2% all areas tornado risk with a 5% damaging winds risk and a hail risk. So this is driven by damaging winds. I think the Storm Prediction Center has seen that today and tomorrow this setup will not be very favorable for a tornado threat, but we may see the hail threat added later, possibly in the afternoon update like we did today, because this hail threat was not here last time I checked a few hours ago. So tomorrow, just a damaging wind risk in that region. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on. But in terms of winter weather, if we take a look at the GFS, this is what's going on right now. So you can see those storms that you could call severe, but they're much less than that. Then potentially some mix in there with a little winter storm that will go through the northeast with a few inches of snow possible. So that'll move through, and then there's those lingering storms into tomorrow where we could see severe weather. And then this next winter storm, which a lot of people have been keeping an eye on, where portions of the northeast could see up to a foot of snow. Now this could change, as this is pretty far out. This is the storm we're looking at next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then again on Thursday and Friday. So if we look at the total snowfall for the eastern United States, you can see tonight some of those areas will get 1 to 3 inches where we have winter weather advisories in effect. But then as we move through the next few days, on Saturday and Sunday this weekend, some of those areas will pick up on a few more inches of snow. These totals are adding on to what's already there, so some areas could see 6 to 7 inches of snow if this plays out the way it's forecasting. This is over 100 hours out, I believe. Yeah, so do not keep this as a guarantee, but just letting you all know. And then again, if we take a look, where this next storm could potentially scrape the Midwest, even going into parts of Colorado and Wyoming on Tuesday the 11th and Wednesday the 12th, where almost the whole state of Kansas could see some sort of accumulation with up to 5 inches near the Dodge City area. In northern Arkansas, southern Missouri could see 7 inches. This is all preliminary. We don't know what will happen, but this is just a forecast saying what is likely and what is being forecasted right now. But then the major portions of this storm will hit the northeast, where they have potential again to see over 6 inches of snow. And once you add all of these 3 storms together, some of these areas could have up to 14 inches of snow. So the snow could reach as far down as central Oklahoma, portions of North Carolina and Virginia will see snow, maybe even central Arkansas, but this is all just forecasting way ahead. That is going to be the end of this video, but before we end off, I would like to say a quick thank you to all of those weather people out there who are keeping communities safe and constantly forecasting weather 24/7. So today, February 5th, is National Weather Person's Day, so be sure to thank one of your favorite weather people and let them know that they're appreciated. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please help me out by liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Once again, I'm Mr. Twister WX, and I hope you enjoyed.